In the engineering materials for a greener planet box, there's one of these solar boats from Mindsets. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to construct it. Now, the instructions which are provided are really good, and this is just what I'm using as I'm going to make my boat for the first time. So the first thing to do is just attach a couple of rubber bands to each one of the bits of polystyrene. And now this piece of deck just slots underneath the elastic bands. The next thing to attach are these solar panel fitting plates. I'm going to use the thin end, not the large end, and I'm just going to slide that thin end onto the back of the deck. Now this piece here is just for attaching the motor, and it's got a sticky base, so if I just peel that off, what I'm then going to do is put this in the middle and at the very front of the deck. And I can now very carefully just push this apart as I put the motor in the middle. And I need to make sure that this axle here is forward of the front of that deck there. I can then take the protective film off the solar panel, and this can now be slotted in at various angles into the holder at the back of the boat. So I'm just going to put mine here for the moment. And finally, we need a propeller. I'm just going to use this yellow one here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist all of these blades in the same direction. So that is a solar boat. You could investigate maybe changing the position of the solar panel. You can try different propellers or the angle that the propellers are bent to, as well as maybe cutting away bits from the polystyrene to make it more streamlined, or maybe moving the position of the deck. So there's a whole load of different investigations that you can carry out using the solar boat.